my channel. My name is Sarah. I love handbags. This is my cupboard and today I have an unboxing. If you watched my last video, which was my wish list video, then this may or may not be an item from that. So let's just see what it is. Massive box. Yes, I have already opened it. Yes, I have taken the ribbon off. I'm really sorry, I couldn't help myself. I really wanted to check it first, so oh well, never mind. I'm sure you understand. So massive box. I need to put that down, I'm sorry. Try not to give away what it is. Vuitton dust bag. Of course, it's the Cannes bag. Oh, what a little beauty. Yes, I finally purchased the Cannes bag. Said I wouldn't, but I still did. So yeah, finally got a Cannes bag, the brand new version. There she is in all her beauty. Lovely little top handle there. There she is, feet at the bottom. And then in the box I've got the ribbon, paperwork, everything like that. And then mine actually got shipped from the Bond Street store in London. So in the box came this little plastic bag. You've got the strap in there. I've got the little lock in a little box. I've got a tiny little dust bag for the lock, and then you've got your little the normal little tag for the textiles, and the little SKU card is in there as well. So I finally have her. I'm going to play about with her, make sure that she does fit in with my lifestyle, just because it's a bag that I've wanted for years and years. I need to make the decision on whether she is correct for me. She's absolutely beautiful, I love her, but these bags are expensive, so I just need to be 100% because I don't want to keep her and then in a few months time think, oh, why did I keep that? It's never going to work out for me, and then you have to start thinking about selling and losing money or just sitting on your shelf. So yes, I've got a week or so that I can think about it, try her on, and because obviously I do have this one which is quite a bit smaller, so but basically the same bag. So yes, Miss Cannes is here and I will keep you updated on how we get on together. But first one off the wish list, tick! Yes. So this was just a super quick one today. I just really wanted to unbox it so that I can go and accessorise her up. So thank you for watching today's video. If you're a previous watcher, then thank you for coming back, and if you're new, then please check out my other videos, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.